Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Informa Technicals. This is Jazz and I'm gonna be your instructor for the C programming tutorial. So my friends, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel and like this video. So friends, today we are going to learn the use of do-while loop in C programming. Guys, the do-while loop is similar to the while loop. The only difference is that in a do-while loop, the test condition is tested at the end of the loop. Now that the test condition is tested at the end, this clearly means that the body of the loop gets executed at least once, even if the condition is false. So friends, now let's start doing with the program to understand it more better. So friends, now we are on our computer screen and you can see I have already done a program, and now I will explain it to you line by line. It is a do-while program, as you can see guys. So friends, from my previous tutorials it is clear that what are the header files. So first of all, we is given here the header files, two header files. One is #include stdio.h and the another one is #include conio.h. And next the main function is given here, from where the execution of our program begins, and then the two curly brackets. Then inside these two curly brackets we have written here the introduction body of the program. In the first line we have declared the character data type with variable, and in the next line we have the integer data type with lowers equals to 0, uppers equals to 0 and numbers equals to 0. So guys, this program is about to read a character until a star is encountered. Also count the number of uppercase, lowercase and numbers entered by the users. We have taken the variables of integers as lowers, uppers and numbers equals to 0, and then in the next line we have written here clear the screen function, so it will clear the screen. And then after that we have written here printf function, which declares that enter any number, which means it will be displayed on the screen when the output screen will be available to us after the completion of this program. Then to the very next we have given a scanf function here with %c and comma ampersand of ch. That means that we are sending the data which is entered in the printf function by the user in the memory allocated for ch, or you can say for the character data type. Guys, note that the test condition is enclosed in parentheses and followed by a semicolon. The statements in the statement block are enclosed within curly brackets. The curly bracket is optional if there is only one statement in the body of the do-while loop. Similar to the while loop, the do-while loop continues to execute while a condition is true. There is no choice whether to execute the loop or not, because the loop will be executed at least once irrespective of whether the condition is true or false. Hence, entry in the loop is automatic. There is only one choice, to continue or to exit. The do-while loop will continue to execute while the condition is true, and when the condition becomes false, the control will jump to statement following the do-while loop. So friends, next here we have started our do-while loop and we have written here do, and after that we have started a new pair of curly braces inside which we are going to write the another part of our program, or you can say the rest part of our program. So here we have also used the AND operator. We have written here if ch greater than equals to capital A ampersand, or you can say double ampersand, then ch less than equals to capital Z. The Z and the A, which is the character, is inside the single quoted lines, and the variable ch is for the character data type. And now the uppers increment we are showing in the next line. That means that these are the upper characters, or you can say the uppercase characters. So in the next line we have done the same thing with the small, or you can say lowercase characters. The only thing we have changed here is the small a we have placed and the small z we have placed, and in the next line we have written lowers increment, means lowers plus plus. And then to the very next line also we have also done the same, and here we have taken the numbers as 0 and 9, and these are also inside the single quotes. And then numbers increment means numbers plus plus, and after that we have taken here a function called fflush stdin. This function is used to clear the standard input file, so we have taken it here. After that we have taken here the printf function, inside which in the double quotes we have written here the \n, which is new line character, and enter another character. Stop enter star to exit. It means that the output screen will display that enter another character and enter star if you want to exit. And in the next line we have taken here the scanf function. Inside the scanf function, within double quotes, we have written here %c comma ampersand of ch, and then to the next we have closed the braces here, and after that we are writing here the while loop, inside which we have written ch factorial sign equals to star. This means that whenever it will show the star and the user will input star, then the page will be exit. Then to the very next we have written here the printf function, and inside this printf function we have written total count of lowercase characters entered equals to %d comma lowers. That means here the answer of total count of lowercase characters will be displayed. And same into the next line we have done total count of uppercase characters entered. We have written it here in the inside the another printf function, and to the next printf function after that we have written also the same, the total count of numbers entered. Here we have taken the numbers and comma numbers, and to the next line we have written return 0 so that the program will give a proper output to us. So to the next we have to save our program here. So let's save it first. For saving the program we have to go to the file, and then we have to click on the save as option, and then we are saving here as do while.c. We have already saved it here. So today we are done with the do while loop. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment down below where you have problems or queries regarding this tutorial, and please let me know about it. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Bye bye, take care, and see you in the next tutorial video.